Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat logged in temporarily disabled. So let's jump right in. Your Snapchat account is currently not working on the login page. This is probably because you may have tried to log in too many times. This situation occurs occasionally, not frequently. And in such cases, you just need to wait for a while before trying again. Simply wait for around 10 to 15 or 20 minutes or even hour and 2. Usually, that's all you need to do. Meanwhile, you can click on the forgot password option and try to remember or recover the password you're using to log in. And to resolve the issue, try locating your password. Check if you wrote it down or saved it somewhere. It's crucial to ensure that you're entering the password correctly, as that could be the cause of the problem. If you're fortunate, the issue might be that you were trying to enter the wrong username. In that case, simply enter your correct username as you normally would. And that might fix the problem. Typically, this step should be sufficient. However, if the issue persists, click on the Forgot Password option located below. And to regain access to your Snapchat account, open the app and click on the Forgot Password option, and from there, you will have the option to recover your account using either your phone number or email address. So go ahead and try recovering your specific actual password, because that is probably going to be the issue that you're having. If the previous steps didn't resolve the problem, you can attempt updating your Snapchat app. Open your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Update the application if a newer version is available. If your app hasn't been updated for a long time, it could potentially be the cause of the issue. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.